In today's fast-paced digital age, many individuals are seeking opportunities to generate passive income. And when it comes to earning money online, AdSense has emerged as one of the best business models for achieving a steady stream of passive income. With its user-friendly interface, reliable payment system, and extensive reach, AdSense offers numerous advantages that make it an appealing choice for individuals looking to monetize their websites or blogs. In this article, we will delve into the reasons why AdSense stands out as the premier business model for passive income, and how you can leverage its potential to outrank other websites and maximize your earnings. 1. Reliable revenue stream. One of the key reasons why AdSense reigns supreme in the realm of passive income is its ability to provide a reliable revenue stream. With AdSense, you can display targeted ads on your website or blog, and every time a visitor clicks on an ad, you earn a portion of the revenue generated by that click. Unlike other business models that rely on product sales or affiliate marketing, AdSense offers a consistent income source that continues to generate revenue even when you're not actively promoting products or services. This steady cash flow enables you to build a sustainable business and enjoy the benefits of passive income over the long term. 2. Extensive advertiser network. Another advantage of AdSense is its extensive advertiser network. As one of the largest advertising platforms on the internet, AdSense connects website owners with a vast pool of advertisers seeking to reach their target audience. This expansive network ensures that your website or blog will be exposed to a wide range of relevant ads, increasing the likelihood of attracting clicks and maximizing your earning potential. Moreover, AdSense employs sophisticated algorithms to display ads that are most likely to resonate with your visitors, further enhancing the chances of generating revenue through clicks. 3. Seamless integration. Integrating AdSense into your website or blog is remarkably straightforward, even for those with limited technical expertise. Google provides an intuitive interface that guides you through the process of setting up your account, creating ad units, and customizing the appearance of the ads to seamlessly blend with your site's design. This level of flexibility allows you to maintain the overall aesthetics of your website while still monetizing it effectively. Additionally, AdSense offers responsive ad formats that adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring a consistent user experience across desktop and mobile devices. 4. Performance tracking and optimization. AdSense equips you with powerful tools to monitor and optimize the performance of your ads. Through the AdSense dashboard, you can access detailed reports that provide valuable insights into ad impressions, clicks, and revenue generated. Armed with this information, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance the performance of your ads and maximize your earnings. AdSense also offers a range of optimization features, such as automated ad placement and split testing, allowing you to fine-tune your ad strategy and achieve optimal results. 5. Diversified monetization options. While AdSense primarily revolves around displaying ads, it also offers additional monetization options to further boost your passive income. For instance, AdSense allows you to leverage its search functionality, enabling visitors to search within your website and generating revenue from ads displayed on the search results page. Moreover, you can explore video monetization through YouTube, which is owned by Google and seamlessly integrates with AdSense. By diversifying your monetization avenues, you can tap into various income streams and maximize your overall earning potential. Conclusion. In the realm of passive income, AdSense shines as the best business model for individuals looking to generate a reliable and sustainable revenue stream. With its extensive advertiser network, seamless integration, performance tracking tools, and diversified monetization options, AdSense provides an unbeatable